In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Assist. Let's dive right in. So, here we are at your Zoho Assist dashboard, also known as your workspace. This is your central hub, where you'll find all the essential tools you need to provide seamless remote support and efficiently manage your sessions. Taking a look at the top menu, you'll notice there are 5 main tabs that will be your primary navigation points as you begin using Zoho Assist. The first tab is Remote Support. This feature allows you to start or schedule live remote sessions effortlessly. You can share a link with your customer, and once they join your session, you can securely view and control their screen. It's an incredibly effective way to deliver instant support and solve any issues they might have without being physically present. Next, we have Unattended Access. This is a powerful feature for managing devices remotely without needing someone on the other end. Once you've set it up, you can log in at any time to troubleshoot problems, perform software updates, or carry out routine maintenance tasks. It's ideal for users who need continuous, reliable remote access. Moving along, you'll find the Meeting tab. This is where you can host or schedule various online meetings, including screen sharing sessions and presentations. Whether you're connecting with clients or coordinating with your team, this tab will be invaluable for keeping your communications smooth and effective. Augmented Reality Assistance, or AR Assistance, is next on the list. This innovative feature allows you to provide real-time guidance using augmented reality. Customers can share their environment via their mobile camera, and you can interact by pointing out and highlighting specific instructions directly on their screen. It's a fantastic tool for guiding clients through complex processes in an intuitive way. Finally, we come to the Reports tab. Here you can view detailed reports of all your sessions. This includes insights such as the duration of sessions, technician activity, and customer details. By regularly reviewing these reports, you can assess performance and ensure that you're providing top-notch service. On the left menu, you'll find supporting options that complement your main tasks. The Home button is your main landing page, providing quick access to recent activities at a glance. The Service queue is especially useful as it displays a list of customer requests waiting to be addressed, helping you manage your workflow effectively. The Contacts section acts as a convenient directory, allowing you to save and manage your customer information all in one place, while Billings gives you access to invoices, payments, and subscription details for your Zoho Assist account. And there you have it. That's a quick but comprehensive overview of your Zoho Assist workspace. This powerful platform is designed to help you manage remote sessions, track reports, and handle customer interactions all in one place. With these tools at your disposal, providing remote support has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find Zoho Assist as helpful as I do.